Hi there, Identity Born, and all the rest of you good people out there. Regarding your question on how to determine the drawing axis / mold working axis vector for an existing body part for plastic injection molding. I interpret the question to be how do I find the tooling direction for a plastic molding? Now, with that said, that axis is normally included in the design part, as it is crucial for how to design the part. So you should be able to get that direction from there. Now, if you do not have that direction, there are features on that plastic part that you could look for. For instance, if you have a plastic part with, let's say, clip tower or a snap, that would normally be in the tooling direction. So from there you can determine the tooling direction, or the general tooling direction I should say. If you do not have that, or if you for some other reason would like to optimize your search for that tooling direction, you could use the drafting analyze in NX, and works something like this. We select the body. We need a draw direction, so we select the draw. I just pick a general one here now just to get the primarily result. We get the color code here that spans from -60 to +60 degrees, and we have a color code which shows what's inside and outside. If I expand the positive draft here, we can see that we have an angle set to 60 degrees. I will narrow that down to 0 degrees in my case, because I want to find what kind of the limit area where it all fits to that tooling direction that I'm gonna analyze. So we can here see that we have green color, that is okay on the outside. We have red color, which would be kind of a negative draft in the tooling direction that I have selected. We can see that it's negative there. If I turn it around, we can see that inside is the opposite. So the red would be okay, and the green would be a negative draft there. So as this is a thickened part, from what it seems, got the same thickness everywhere, which would be normal as it is a plastic part. The same draft kind of applies. So let's see if we can do anything about this. We use the orientation tool here, and we say that I'm going to rotate in this direction to see if I can get rid of the draft down here. So we turn it a little bit, 10 degrees. Well, with 10 degrees I seem to be inside that there, both on the inside and outside. I'm going to do the same on the outside for the other one. So we tilt that down as well, 10 degrees. So 10 degrees. Now I had a snap angle there, which is 5. If you want to do it even more accurate, you might want to change that snap angle to, let's say, 1, or maybe something smaller, in order to a little bit more directly identify where that draft appears and not. And of course, if you pull it too far, you will get the negative draft on the other side there. So you have to watch the whole part when you do this. But with given requirements, let's say I would have a draft on, let's say, 3 degrees. Might have to adjust a little bit more. Here we can see. So let's grab this one and let's add a little bit more there. And there we go. Now that would be my draft angle for this specific part. Now I need that coordinate system, or at least the draw axis there. Under output, you can do a create datum thesis in draw direction. If you toggle that on, and as soon as you OK or apply, that datum thesis will be created for you. And here you now have the direction for your specific part. So with that, I'm going to leave you, and I hope this helps in your future endeavors. And all you good people out there, stay safe and stay healthy and take care. And that's all for now. Over and out from Fred. Bye for now.